Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. How you doing? All right. Have you ever been to a party or had a birthday and it's hot, it's the middle of summer, and you just want some good, refreshing dessert? Well, that's what we're doing today. It's a no-bake, cool lemon pie. We're going to need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweet condensed milk, cookies. My brand that I'm using are Maria's. We're going to need lime juice, blender, and a pie dish. Okay, that's everything right here that I have. Now, these are the particular brand of cookies that I'm using, Maria's. But I'm sure other cookies work. I've never tried it with other cookies, but hey, cooking's about trying things out. So if you can't find these particular cookies, try with another cookie. So the process of making this is very easy. Okay, we're gonna make a batter-like substance, and then we're gonna get our dish. We're gonna do a layer of cookies, a layer of batter, a layer of cookies, a layer of batter, and we're just gonna do that until there's no more cookies or batter left. Then we're gonna pop it in the freezer, 30 minutes. Then we're going to pop it in the fridge for 2 hours. By that time, it should be set and it's ready to eat. Okay, so let's get to it. First things first, we're going to do the batter. I'm going to explain it. I'm going to put both of these, the evaporated and the condensed milk, into our blender. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to blend it on a low setting. And then while it's blending, I'm going to start squeezing lime juice into it. Okay. Once the mixture thickens, you're done. Okay, you're done. You can add more lime to taste if you'd like. If it's too sour and you want a little bit more bitterness, you can always, shave a little off of the husk into the mixture. It'll taste good too. This is the evaporated milk. This is the condensed. Y'all, on a quick side note, this sweetened condensed milk, it's good. If you like crepes, try this on them. It even goes with pancakes. All right, so I got everything in there. I'm gonna cover it so that it doesn't splash on me right away. I wanna make sure my setting is on low, and I'm just gonna stir it up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I don't know if you could actually see it, but it's starting to thicken. I'm 2 limes in. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Good balance between the lemon and the milk and the sweetness. I'm going to add about another half just because I want it a little bit more with a kick. Alrighty, so that was it. Now comes the assembly, okay? Here's a pie dish that I'm going to use. It's the one I'm using is clear and round, but you could use just about anything. Doesn't have to be clear and round. I'm using this mostly for the effect, and I might not go a lot of layers heavy, although you can. I'm not going to go a lot of layers heavy just so that it speeds up the cooking process a little bit, and we can eat faster. Everybody wants that. I really want this mixture batter to spread. I want a nice even layer so that whenever I put my other cookies on it, it makes nice layers. Look at that. That's what you want to see right there. Alright, so I'm going to pop this in the freezer for 30 minutes. After that, I'm going to take it out, put it into the fridge for 2 hours, and then it should be set. Hey everybody, so it's been 2.5 hours, okay? And check this out. Look at that. Nice and stiff, just came out of the fridge. That's how it's supposed to look. Oh, tastes delicious. Okay, let's cut a slice and let's give this a real taste. It's nice and gelatinized. You can really tell that the cookies absorbed a lot of the sugar. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Beautifully cut, if I may say so myself. Look at that, guys. Look at all those layers. Wow. Delicious. I'm gonna have another bite. You know, if you're not a big cheesecake fan, make this. I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. Good. Like the video, subscribe, all that. If you don't like this video, I want to make another video. Go and like that video.